Hello, how are you guys? In this short video, I'm going to tell you how to create a poll vote on WhatsApp in iPhone and Android. Without wasting any time, let's start this short video. Go to the WhatsApp application and then select the group chat for which you want to create a poll. This also works for private chats. On the group chat, tap plus at the bottom left. Here, many features will appear in front of you. You have to click on the poll. Here, you can add your questions and the options the group participants will have to choose from. I will ask the question, who will be the top scorer of this year's World Cup? Now enter your options. Babar Azam, Rohit Sharma, or David Warner. Guys, remember that you cannot add more than 12 options. Now tap send. That's all you have to do. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.